Kama umewahi kula shida, I'm curious to know. Ni nini hiyo ili happen ukajua nyewe unakapitia? Ama ni lini poverty imewahi kuhumble? I'll go first. Get a chair. Let's talk. So personally, nilifikanga home nikapata sina food. Kenya ningekula tu ni rice ya kuchemsha na turungi. Hizi stories na kuanga diverse. Huku nje tunaweza kuwa tunachekeshana lakini hakuna venye utajua Kenya mtu amepitia unless aseme. There are some people we look up to na ujui venye hao watu wamekula shida. A good example is some musical legends from the 2000s. Sisi tulikuwa tunasikia tu huku nyimbo zao, tunadhani kila kitu iko sawa nyumbani. Episode 558, The Birth of Sakata Media.
We had one mattress. Remember that lady? That lady gave us a mattress. It was staying there. So we're looking at this mattress and we were wondering, so who sleeps on what? And guys were like, by the way, you know what? You actually need a mattress from your waist up. Huku chini you don't need. So we split the mattress. Yeah, we split the mattress, man. And these guys had half, and us we had half. Then get your jackets, panga them huku, and get your feet on the mattress, on the jackets. And it was like that. So then you don't need to cover your feet. We had one blanket. It comes from huko, conveyor belt. So the worst part was when we were cooking, because it was stove. Watu walikuwa wanalia. Because the smoke can't go. Yeah.
South Korea wanakuanga na hii kitu wanaitanga the spoon theory. The spoon theory wanatumianga ku classify social classes. So kuna watu wamezaliwa na dirt spoon. Dirt ni kama clay, ryoba. That spoon, kuna wa wooden spoon, kuna wa stainless steel spoon, kuna wa golden spoon, hiyo ndio wa juu kabisa, brass spoon, silver spoon hapa katikati. Kila kijiko iko na a certain amount of money you're supposed to be making per year. So kutoka silver spoon kwenda juu, I think they're the top 5% of the population in terms of pesa. 5% of people wao ndio wako na silver spoon kwenda juu. Nyinyi wengine mng'ang'anizi vijiko zingine. Now some people wanaamingi ati unafaa kukaa na ile kijiko umezaliwa nayo. Na hiyo ni mindset wako nayo, either rooted in traditionalism ama gatekeeping, yani wanataka wewe know your place in the food chain na ukae hapo. Kuna wengine wanaamini you can change your spoon either through education, through working hard ama marrying rich. One of those three. Na kuna wengine hata waamingi hiyo kitu completely. But in as much as teme society yetu hatuna spoon theory, kuna kwanga tu na hiyo kitu yenye inafanyanga unasikia ni kama ufai kufika places fulani. Ndio maana hata kuna wasee una work hard, yani unajituma ukifika unapata kitu tunaitanga imposter syndrome, kuona ni kama ufai, ni kama wewe ni muongo. You think you're an imposter, ndio jina imetoka hapo, imposter syndrome. Let me challenge that mindset with this Kikuyu quote. It says, haria ikagio tiho iguaga. Translated inamaanisha penye kitu inarushwa, penye unairushia, penye unarusha ukiwa umesimama, sio penye hiyo kitu itaanguka. So basically, si lazima uend up kwenye umeanzia. Penye kitu imerushiwa, sio penye itaanguka. Haria ikagiothi hoeguaga. You get, mimi naongelesha huyo msemo mwenye anadhani you don't deserve more than what was given to you.
As guys have discussed for so long this thing, we knew what we wanted to call our studio, even though we didn't have a studio, neither a computer. So we wrote on the CD, Sakata Media.
You know, people ask God for things, but they don't plan for the day they receive.
Yeah, exactly.
You get? So God nipatie do, but then you've got no plan for that door.
Yeah.
And
at that point you just know there's no big moment. This is what it is. Yeah. What we get is what we get. Yeah. So we learned from that time, doing more with less. And you'll squeeze out what you can squeeze out from whatever you get.
So did Googs know you are using his computer?
He didn't know.
What?
And that was the point. So when he leaves, we pop in. We put these Fruity Loops. We chokora this thing because we didn't know anything about production. We chokora this thing until we know Googs is coming back. Now Mike needed to catch up. So I help him. We wash Googs' clothes. He cooks, chop. We remove Fruity Loops. Vanished.
You guys are hustlers. Your dream is to be big musicians in this game.
Musicians. Yeah.
But you have nothing. Hakuna pesa, hakuna studio,
hakuna industry,
hakuna
reference point, nothing.
Oh, there's no reference point.
There's no reference point. No one is doing tracks. Again, Kasangas are doing keyboard. It's not there. That's why Mr. Goods and Vinnie Banton, Tumetoka Githurai, was huge because it was disruptive like crazy.
It was the first of its kind.
Exactly.
SK Blue amesema kitu ya maana na nataka ikuwe take-home yako. That they made the most with what they had. Hawapo wamepewa vitu mingi kwa hii life. Bana hata kitanda hawana, hata nyumba hawana, wanaishi kwa store. Lakini they were able to come up in the music industry and give us some of the best hits, some of the greatest artists. Walibathiwa kwako ka store. Actually later before hii video kuna ingine hapo inasema the storehouse that housed greatness. Ukitaka tuiongelelea tutaiongelelea sana kushow backstory yao wase. So hawako wamepewa opportunities kwa life. Lakini walikuwa na ndoto, walikuwa na motivation, walikuwa na one common goal na walikuwa naamini inawezekana. So mimi nakushow penye uko, the little that you have, fanyisha hiyo kitu kazi hadi itoke moshi. Wring the life out of that opportunity. So the rest of this interview iko YouTube, enda uandike SK Blue CTA, playlist ita pop up, Chibambe. Andika notes, tupatane kwa comments.
I'm telling you, Rafton came home with a Coke, 1 liter. We were shocked, man. We were shocked, bana. Hey, as guys, any Rafton, man, this is what it means to be a king, bana. He's sitting there and there's a Coke, bana. 1 liter, man. Hey, as guys are looking at him, tunasema, what? This is how far music can take you, man.
Paka ulune 1 liter Coke.
Coke luxury. I'm telling you, that time we all believed if this guy can buy Coke 1 liter, anything is possible, man. This music thing is working.